Our custom meal plan service was designed to help men and women all over the world turn their lives around and take charge of their health and figure. The custom keto diet is a brand new product that allows someone to create their very own keto diet plan based on their food preferences, daily activities, height, weight, and targets, and of course weight goals. We use scientific research and proven studies to create personalized ketogenic diet plans. This maximizes fat burning via the correct calories and macronutrients for each individual. The customer's keto diet plan is available to access immediately after opting in. Here's what you will get. An 8-week meal plan created based on the expertise of certified nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs. Meals that have calorie and macronutrient content tailored to your specific situation and goals. A nutrition plan with food variety to ensure you will get a wide range of nutrients and boost your likelihood of sticking to the keto plan. Meals that are based on personal food preferences to make their diet enjoyable and help them stay on track with their plan. Detailed recipes with step-by-step instructions to make meal preparation super simple, no prior cooking experience needed. A downloadable shopping list each week that details every needed ingredient they will need in the upcoming 7 days. Options on how they can customize every meal even more to suit your taste buds. We'll show you what to eat every day to reach your goals in the fastest and most enjoyable way. To show how effective the meal plans are, here's what some of our real clients have to say. As of today, I've lost 35 pounds, I have no hunger pangs, and mentally I feel sharp as a pin. This is definitely going to become a way of life for me as it's so easy to follow. All my meals are planned out for me, and I even get a downloadable shopping list with all the ingredients I need for the weekly shop, so it really is a doddle. Katie Thompson from the UK. And I've lost 14 pounds, which I must say is pretty incredible. It's actually amazing watching my body transform into something I am actually proud of rather than something I have always tried to cover up. Jessica Gray from the USA. I've struggled with my weight my whole life, and it's safe to say that I've tried a lot of diets. The keto diet is the only one I've managed to stick to, and the weight is literally melting off my body. Unlike other diets where I am feeling hungry all day and food is constantly on my mind, the keto diet has completely eliminated this. I actually never feel hungry with this way of eating. I would definitely recommend anyone struggling to lose weight to try these custom keto meal plans, as they really have been a godsend for me. Thanks for watching the custom keto diet. Please click the link below.